it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you're new here and if you're returning, really thank you guys for taking the time to be here. This is going to be my video in support for Rose. Her channel name is Beauty Boss Planner and she's having a birthday challenge, guys. So before I get into this, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So this is the bag that I'm going to start off with, and I've already decided that I'm going to fold it up like this so that you got this whole open part up to make that extra pocket. So I'll have a pocket in there and then another one that's small here. So the first step is to cover up the bag part that you don't want to see and cover it with your paper. So I've already picked out the llama paper. I've picked out this coordinating pink stripes because I know that Rose loves pink. And then I also have this. I'm just not quite sure what I'm going to exactly do. But the first thing is to remove this string, and then I could always punch holes and put a new string back, but the purple's not gonna go with this particular bag when I'm done. So guys, I had this out on my craft table and my boyfriend's like, whose birthday is it? And then I'm like, I didn't get this for a birthday. And then I was like, no, wait, I actually did get it for a birthday, but I was planning to cover it, I was telling him, as a loaded bag. And then he got me thinking, why not make sure I try and use the happy birthday here? It makes no sense to not use it. So I'm going to try and incorporate the happy birthday because why not? This is a loaded bag for a birthday. I just wasn't really thinking. All I was thinking was loaded bag. So I'm going to think about this and then I'm going to show you what I'm doing with this bag. So guys, this is what I'm thinking. This is the bottom of the bag, and I'm going to turn this into its own little mini pocket, and I'm going to fold this up for the main outer pocket. So I think I'm just like eyeballing it. This looks kind of good, and I'm going to take my ruler here, and I'm going to put that in here. So we got 8 inches this way for the piece because it's going to end here, and the bag's 10 inches. So I'm going to use my Cricut machine to cut out that nice rectangle for me. And then what I'm doing is measuring a little photo frame here. So I'm figuring, I guess, about 1.5 down and 1.5 over. So guys, this is the Cricut design space, and this is going to be what is covering the front of my bag. This is that it goes here across 10 inches and down 8 inches because that was the measurement after I'd fold the bag up. So now I want to make a box inside of here to make it as if it's a picture frame so we see the happy birthday from the bag because it matches and it's cute and it's completely appropriate. So I'm going to be using this here, and I have unlocked the resizing area that they have because if you keep it locked, it's going to keep making it a proportionate square, and I don't want it to be a square. I want it to be a rectangle. So I'm going to go up here because the width needs to be at least 7 inches to fit the entire happy birthday. And you know what, I'm going to just change this to a different color so you guys could see it better. And the sizing up and down, its height only needs to be about 1 3/4. Actually, even a little less. So I don't know numbers and measurements super duper well, so I put in 1.75, and I'm just gonna now make it 1.65. And for me, I believe that is gonna work. So this is the area that my happy birthday is going to show up in its frame because I'm going to cut this part out. So what I need to do is put this 1.5 inches from the top of what this cutout would be. So to show you guys, I'm going to move this down and it's on that 1 inch line. I hope you guys could see. If you're not, just know that it's at the 1 inch and I'm gonna place my box 1.5 inches down. I'm gonna now select it all, and I'm going to align it horizontally. Center horizontal. It's right now in the middle, and I'm going to now slice. And on the bottom right, you could hit slice. And I'm just kind of quickly showing you guys. I could always do a more in-depth one, but now we're gonna move that box, move this, and you see I got my photo frame. This is gonna be covering my bag here, and happy birthday is gonna show through. So I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna show you on my bag. So this is how the paper came out after cutting it, guys, and it's perfect. It fits just like a perfect frame, so I could still use the word happy birthday. And this little bit of heart I'm not worried about, because I'm gonna cover that up with some sort of embellishment so that it doesn't look awkward as it does now. But it fits perfectly, and I love it because it is gonna be for her birthday challenge. So I'm gonna assemble my bag, like I said, fold it up like this. So I have 2 pieces for my front and my back that are frames. And then I have the bottom portion of paper to cover here, one for each side. Even though on the back there's no pocket, I'm gonna create my own. And I also cut out with my Cricut this banner here that I'm gonna border at the very top of the pocket. First I wanna cover this inside, and I'm gonna be using the pink paper here. So it folds right here, and I wanted to then put a piece of pink here and a piece of pink here, just so it looks a little more pretty on the inside. So I'm gonna be using just my double-sided tape to put that down. Now I'm gonna put down my frame piece. Now I'm gonna be using my hot glue gun so that I could put this pocket together. So on the mini pocket, I'm gonna glue up the sides here, and then I'm gonna just glue up the sides here for that big pocket in there. So we have it like this now. This pocket we got here, and now we just gotta put glue here for this other pocket. So now it's looking like this, and I'm gonna add this piece as well as my banner piece at the top. So this is how the front is looking, guys. There's a mini pocket in there, and then there's this pocket here, and now that's where we have our bag. So I'm gonna go and decorate the back side now, and I got my frame, and I made it alternating. So I'm gonna put my frame on like I did before, and in this case, I'm just gonna be making my own mini pocket over here. So I'm gonna put this down, and then I'm just gonna put glue along the bottom and the sides to form that pocket. So here's the front of the bag, guys, and I'm gonna still be decorating it, but I wanna show you, we have the small pocket, this pocket, and I put the banner where I'm gonna decorate it and put rose. And on the back side, it also has the cutout like I showed you before. This pocket I added here, and I'm gonna put her name, Rose, on the back. That's how my bag came out, guys. I ended up using some tulle right here for some handles, and I decorated with this beautiful bling all around the happy birthday. Added a little butterfly and this little princess girl. And then here's this pocket that I'm gonna load up, and this pocket, and I put her name down here and her birthday, which is 9/20 on both sides. And then when you flip it on over to the back here, I just added a little handmade by Mack. I added some gems and these stickers. This is the stuff I'm gonna stuff it with. I made her this shaker memory decks, and you would see this on my channel. I'll link it above and below if you wanna see my tutorial. I'm also gonna put some butterfly die cuts I made her some Julie Nutting dolls, and I put them in here. She could keep them in here as bookmarks, or she could take them out, laminate them, do whatever she wants with them. But I think they came out really pretty. Here's some die cuts of dresses, some little ticket die cuts. I made her a flat pen for her planner or a traveler's notebook. I'm gonna gift her some of these huge, giant paper clips. These beautiful blinged butterflies. Here's a bunch of papers from the collection I used to decorate her bags she might want to use. And I also made her these gorgeous rosettes. There's 2 of them. This says, what does it say? Pink is always a good idea. And then just that one. So I'm gonna stuff it on up and show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks all stuffed up, guys. This is the front and this is the back. And I think it came out great. I hope that Rose likes this. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed what I created here for Rose, and I hope Rose likes it too, because this is what I did for her birthday challenge, and you guys still have time to get in on this, so please go by her channel. I will link the giveaway birthday challenge link in the description box. This is my first time making a loaded bag. I had tremendous fun creating it and all the goodies that I stuffed it with. So don't forget guys, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.